What up guys, this is Pastor Cano again. We're coming up with another video, another tutorial in JavaScript. So we're going to be talking about events today. Okay, so events in JavaScript. So what is an event? So an event signals when something happens, right? When an event occurs or happens in the program, the application sends a notification to the rest of the code saying something happened here. Right? For example, we can just do there is an event that fires when the page loads. So let's take a look at that one. So if we just do Windows, yeah, we just do Windows that, and we're going to add an event listener, which is going to be a function add event listener right here, and we're going to pass the event right here, which is going to be a DOM content load load yeah DOM content load, and then we just do comma, and then we're going to do a function right here, anonymous function. We're going to post the event, just an e, and then open and closing curly brackets, and then inside here we're going to say console.log, and then we're going to say right here, what are we going to say? The page is loaded, right? The page is loaded, semicolon, and then we save that and see. Let's go to our browser and check that. There's nothing right here. Let's just inspect it right here, and console, yeah, the page is loaded right here, so that worked, right? So also what we can do is the event can also listen um, to a button click. Okay, let's do that. So but how do we do this? So the function that responds to an event, which is called an event listener, which is that's what we're doing right now. Let's go back to our code right here. So let's just do the following. Let's just do a variable name. We're going to btn equals to document that what is it, document, what do we do? I think with the query selector, query selector, open and closing parentheses, and then and right here we're going to pass the ID, the ID number, the ID name right here. So we're going to say click me. So we don't have that yet. Semicolon, document that query selector, and right here we're going to say btn that we're going to add the event listener, add event listener, open and closing, and then we're going to pass the event right here, which is going to be click. Is listening to the click event, so every time it clicks it will execute this function, the anonymous function right here. So and open and closing uh, curly brackets, and then right here we're going to say console.log, what is it, the button was click, the button was click, and semicolon. But right here we're going to do a, so let's do a button element right here. We want to say click me, and then we're going to do an ID, which is the ID that we're using over here, which is says click me, right? Click me. So let's save it, and let's go back to our browser, refresh it to give us a click. So let's inspect that. So, and every time we do a click, it's a button was click. Every time we click, it will tell us 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? And you can do, in this function, you can just execute a lot of different things. So we just did this simple click me button, but also you can just do other things in here. So if we add, let's let's just say a p element right here, p, and then we're going to call it, let's just do an ID name right here. Let's just do demo. Let's just call it demo right here, and we can change that in this function. And we can use, and we can say in here we can say let, should create another bit. Let's just do document that. Let's just do query selector since we're using that. Let's just keep using that. Let's just say demo, and then let's just do inner. Actually, let's just do right here um, get element by ID. It's going to be a lot easier. We just do that, and then we just do demo, and then we just do that inner HTML equals, and right here we say button was click. Right, and this message right here, it will be here in this p element. Let's save it, go back, let's close that, and yeah, button was click. That worked. Look, click me. Yeah, you can do a lot of things in that function right there. I mean, yes, with the event listeners, yeah, you can accomplish a lot of things. This is the syntax, so hopefully this kind of help you out in your journey. Just a little simple application with event listener, and hopefully this kind of help you out in your journey. You can just make this a bigger application with the with event listener. All right, guys. So thank you and have a nice good night.